Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and before you even finish your coffee, you've already made $500. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. In fact, thousands of people are doing it every day from the comfort of their own homes. And guess what? You can too, if you follow the steps I'm about to show you. But here's the catch. If you don't act on this now, you could miss out on an opportunity that others will snatch up while you're still thinking about it. And I don't want that for you. So buckle up, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can start making $500 a day with strategies that are simple and proven. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, freelancing, but with a twist. Not the traditional work for hours, get paid for hours grind. No, I'm talking about scaling freelancing with high-demand skills like copywriting, graphic design, or video editing. You don't even need to master these skills before getting started. There are platforms where you can learn as you go. Hold on, before you say, I can't design, I can't write, let me ask you, when was the last time you learned something completely new and surprised yourself? Exactly. Now, here's how you turn it into $500 a day. Focus on high-ticket clients. Offer premium packages, and yes, charge higher than most people do. You'd be surprised how many clients value quality over price. But what if you could make even more with less work? Keep watching, because the next method is perfect if you want to work smarter, not harder. Here's a golden strategy that almost no one is talking about: drop servicing. This isn't drop shipping, where you sell physical products. No, in drop servicing, you're selling services, but you don't actually perform the service. Wait, what? That's right, you act as the middleman. Find clients who need services like website development, logo design, or social media management, and then outsource those tasks to freelancers at a lower rate. You pocket the difference. Imagine making $1,000 from a project that you only paid $300 for. That's an instant $700 profit. And the best part, you didn't have to do any of the work. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but where do I find clients willing to pay that much? Stick around, because we're about to solve that in the next point. Here's the beauty of the digital world. Clients are everywhere. And the best place to find them? Social media. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and even TikTok are gold mines for connecting with high-paying clients. If you know how to play the game, here's what you do. Create a professional profile showcasing the services you're offering. Engage with potential clients by liking, commenting, and DMing them. You're building relationships, and relationships lead to sales. Quick question. How many hours do you already spend scrolling social media? Yeah. Why not make it profitable? With just a few strategic conversations, you can land your first high-ticket client. And once you do, you'll realize how easy it is to repeat this process and scale up. But maybe you're wondering, what if I don't want to handle clients at all? Don't worry. I've got a solution that could earn you passive income every single day. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make $500 per day without creating products, dealing with clients, or providing a service. You simply promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale. But here's the secret sauce. Don't promote just anything. Find high-ticket products that pay $100 to $500 per sale. One sale a day is all it takes. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I find these products, and who's buying them? Great question. There are platforms like ClickBank and Amazon Associates that allow you to find affiliate products in almost any niche. And with the right promotion, whether it's through YouTube, blogging, or social media, you can generate sales around the clock. But what if you could combine affiliate marketing with something that's literally in everyone's hands right now? Stay with me, because we're about to talk about that next. If you're not creating content in 2024, you're leaving money on the table. With platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, anyone can monetize their creativity, and you don't even need to show your face. Just like this channel, you can earn from ads, affiliate links, or even digital products like ebooks or courses. Here's a pro tip. Focus on niches that people are passionate about: personal finance, health, self-improvement. Then offer real value. People will follow, and brands will pay to advertise to your audience. And yes, content creation isn't just for influencers with 1 million followers. You can start with 0 followers and build your way up. The best part? Once you've got your audience, your content works for you 24/7, generating passive income while you sleep. So, there you have it. 5 powerful strategies to help you make $500 per day. freelancing with high-ticket clients, drop servicing, leveraging social media, affiliate marketing, and monetizing content creation. Now, here's the thing. None of this will work unless you take action. The difference between those making $500 a day and those who aren't is simple. They decided to do something about it. Let me ask you, which of these strategies are you going to try first? Seriously, comment below, because making $500 a day isn't a dream. It's a decision. And before you go, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ways to take control of your financial future. Trust me, the best is yet to come. This is Investacred, and I'll see you in the next one.